say around 2:45, still so high, hypnotized in a trance from this body, so buttery brown and tantalizing. You would.
Alright, you guys, starting with my natural hair that's still up in the back, but I'm using my Eco Styler gel, the black castor oil gel. This is still my holy grail. I don't care if y'all say it's canceled, I'm still using it. Okay, so I'm just going to put that on my edges and smooth it up with a brush. Just simple, self-explanatory things here. I'm using an old toothbrush that I use just to do my edges, and then I'm going to get a brush and smooth it on up. I should have put this in a much smaller bun than I did. Next time I put this ponytail on, I'm going to make sure that my bun is small and contained. It was a little difficult for me to put on, which you won't be able to tell, but I made my bun too big. But now I'm just smoothing on more gel so I can make me some baby hairs, because you know it don't look right without it. Now I'm just taking my little silk night scarf that I wear and just tying it around my hair just to make sure everything is flat and contained. This is the ponytail right here, the Outre Quick Pony in the style Nikka. So it's a really pretty wavy texture, which is why I really like this one, because my hair is curly and wavy. So I thought this ponytail would be super cute, and it's really long, so I'm really liking it. Now I'm just going to put on the ponytail. Basically simple, easy stuff. Put it on, put the drawstring on, and then I'm going to grab some pieces of the hair from the ponytail, which you will see me do, and make sure it's secure with bobby pins. And that is pretty much it, you guys. So you can just watch me do the rest. So this is the ponytail. I finally have, well, I've installed it, I've done my makeup and stuff. So this is what it's looking like. It's a really pretty wavy texture. My hair is a wavy texture as well, as you can see, so I think it matches perfectly, which is why I wanted to get this ponytail. So thank you, Outre, for sending me this ponytail to review for you guys. I freaking love it, and I like wearing it like this. I might wear it in the back of my head one day. But I really like it on the side right now. It's just something different for me. I've never worn a side ponytail like this before, so this is why I decided to do it like this, because it's different. But this is the package that it came in, and it came in with this little style card right here. This ponytail is called Nikka. I got it in the color 1B because obviously I wanted to match my hair. It does come in other colors such as 1B, 2, 4, 950, 2T1/30, 2T1/425, S1B30, and S430. So it does come in a wide variety of colors. The one that the model is wearing is T130, so it's like an ombre effect a little bit, as you guys can see. I really like that ponytail, but I didn't get that one obviously because it would not match my hair, and I am not the type of girl that likes to just put ponytails on that don't match your hair. I hate when people be putting on ponytails that don't match your hair. It's like, come on now, like really. So this is what it's looking like. This is about how long it is. So my belly button is right here, so it's basically at my belly button. So it's a really long ponytail, and it is a wavy texture. They do have them in other textures as well, but like I said, I got it in Nikka style, Nikka, because I really wanted it to match. It's super easy and super quick to put together. Oh, well, put on, not put together. So I really like this ponytail. It's just it's different for me, and I'm liking, you know, doing different things with my hair that I don't normally do. So I'm really liking this. So thank you again, Outre, for sending me this ponytail. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat to keep up with me on daily life. I will have a link to this ponytail in the description bar below where you can purchase it. You can pretty much get it at any of the major online retailers, you know, to buy this, but I will have a link in the description bar. But I thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day.